Hey, are y'all getting the fireworks ready? I feels like you are. Huh?
We're not letting them off.
What do you mean that thing's getting ready?
It's not getting ready.
Hey, are you getting that thing ready?
Yes, that's what all this is.
Yeah, that part.
Yeah, but we're not setting nothing off right now. It's not dark.
Yeah. Yeah, it just like let her rip. It was like, whoa, pow! What are you gonna do with that?
That hurt.
What do you mean it hurt real bad?
Even the snapcracker poppers. I don't need a spark.
When is the grand finale?
There was a whole group of motherfuckers that died a long time ago because of some shit like that. Actually, the dude lit a cake inside of a small fireworks joint there.
Hey, what's up? Look at that instruction.
Poster. I don't know what the fuck it is. Some kind of a poster.
Yeah, it's a poster. High Fulton. What is that?
High falutin.
Don't back down. What is that?
I don't know. But when it gets darker,
I think Colt's coming now.
Yep.
What you doing?
Me?
Yeah. Yeah, remember that time Wayne got hit by a firework that time?
Sorta.
We just got another pack of kids. I don't want to go with them. Oh. I don't know if that 9-volt's any good though.
Don't you light me. Stop. For real. I'll smack you if you light me up. Hurry up, friction, huh?
Not up here. Not up here. Unless you're gonna move my truck up, I'll pop up. I don't want anything flying in the back of my truck.
Why are you yelling at him?
Yeah, look at that. This is what the inside looks like. How so? You want me to zap him?
I'm gonna turn it up and I'm gonna zap his ass every time.
Oh, you fiction, huh?
Turn that up.
I did.
I saw you.
I did not see that coming. How are you gonna zap him, huh? Yeah, like 8:52. That's what it says. Dang, you got like a lot of fireworks too.
That's what the tree's for.
What's in there?
Don't fuck with it. Alright, light it and drop it. You got a lighter? Alright,
Wow, your trucks.
make sure it works.
Okay. I gotta move. I gotta move. Chase, if this thing explodes, I'm gonna move.
There's a black one. Get it.
Is there really a
I'm
black?
not lighting any fireworks, so you can stop recording.
It's for a video.
I don't care. You're not posting it.
I'm really afraid this thing's or explode. How'd you do that? Are you gonna light it up? No. Which one? What is he doing? Oh no. Oh no. Holy cow! That was sick, dude. There's smoke everywhere. I'm not kidding. Like, bro, that thing's hot. There's smoke. Oh, I could see it coming. What you doing? Okay. Does that thing even pop?
Can I light this one right here? The one that spins?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I
Oh.
would run right.
Whoa! Ah! Move, move, move out of the way. Whoa! Wow, that's crazy, dude. Wow. There's smoke coming out of that thing. Wow, look at that big thing. Yeah, because, like, look.
Don't mess with stuff. Stop touching stuff.
I'm not. Hey, Ashton, what's up? What are you doing?
Like 3 packs of igniters.
What?
What?
What are you doing, Ashton?
Nothing.
This thing needs flattening. Yeah, look at that rocket thing. Excuse me.
Did you launch it already?
Where are those other fireworks at?
I moved them up there.
We're gonna get more?
When it gets dark.
Okay.
God damn it. You almost had it, Brody. I could have.
What? What is it?
Yeah, just bricks and
You
bricks
think I
of
can
fire.
pull this?
Absolutely, Brody. I insist that you pull that.
Hang on.
I insist.
Problem is, you know, starting off the whole thing.
Throw up the whole thing.
Okay, hang on. Weed. Shut up. What are you doing? Oh my. Oh, oh.
That was way too close.
What? Wow. That's insane. Oh. Oh, that's smoking so bad. What'd you say? Move, move, move it. Oh. Oh my God. Wow, that's insane. Like, bro, look at that smoke. What'd you say? Like, bro, is that a rocket? Want me to move? I'm really afraid this thing is gonna catch on fire. I'm not, I'm gonna back up. What? Might wanna move. Oh my God! That's insane, dude. Look at that big rocket. Look at that.
Lay it down like that. But it's gonna but it's double wick. We're supposed to do that.
Are you gonna light it up?
Hold on.
Okay. Oh dear. Oh my God. Holy. Ow. Imagine if that hit your truck.
We have the grand finale all along.
Thank God I did not get all my camera. Just like put in like a tube. In that tube. For the 4th of July, Chase. Like actually. This is where it's been going. Oh no. Is it not gonna light up? Oh, I'll move. Get out of the way! What? Oh, okay. I am recording it. See?
He wasn't.
What?
He wasn't.
I'm making a part 2 of it.